that was pretty rough. This boat wasn't going to go anywhere. If it did, it probably would have overheated because the intakes were covered. It was on there mighty thick. Good morning, everybody. Got a pretty busy day today. We got 2 boats, but both of them, well, one of them hasn't been touched since July, and we already know how that goes. So we're gonna get out here, we're gonna take a look, see what we can do. It's a beautiful day outside. It's currently 64 degrees, but it's on its way up to probably high 70s, low 80s. Second week in November, so can't really complain with that. It's gonna be nice and sunny. Should have some good visibility down there, well, as much as you can have in the Pamlico River, and we'll get it done. Guys, as you can see, that was quite a job. I mean, barnacles from pretty much midships all the way back, all the running gear, all the propellers, the entire transom, several thick carpet spots. Took right around, let's see what time it is. Took right around 2.5 hours. The entire running gear was fouled. So I appreciate you joining us today. We're not going to get to the second boat. I spent 2.5 hours down, pretty exhausted from that. We'll take care of that second boat tomorrow, and we'll see you on that video. Thanks for watching.